Stripping paint doesn't need to involve harsh chemicals or endless scraping. Clearstrip Gel is an environmentally safe, low-odor paint remover that removes multiple coats of paint or varnish in a single application. A few additional tools and supplies will help make the stripping process simple. You'll need a brush to apply the Clearstrip, and a putty knife or scraper to remove the paint. Rubbing alcohol and steel wool will be used for cleanup. Protective gloves are also recommended. Be sure the piece you are stripping is clean and dry. Then simply brush a generous coating of Clearstrip onto the painted surface. Thicker applications will remain wet longer, which will help remove stubborn paint. Allow Clearstrip to work for at least 30 minutes, and then continue checking the surface of the piece periodically until the paint begins to lift and loosen. Depending on the type of paint and the number of coats, Clearstrip can work within just a few minutes or up to a few hours. Once the paint starts to bubble, you can begin scraping. Be sure to scrape with the grain of the wood. Clearstrip will have done much of the work for you, and the loosened paint should scrape away easily. Clearstrip will also help to soften old glazing putty. If necessary, the process can be repeated in order to remove any remaining paint. Once all the paint is removed, simply wipe down the surface of the wood with rubbing alcohol and steel wool to remove any residue. Clearstrip Gel is the clear choice for making paint and varnish removal easy and safe. For more information about Clearstrip, visit abatron.com or call us today.